In today's video, we will discuss how to generate a key in Pixel Pay and how to properly add it to our software. We have a new module called Free Stock to Video. And to use it first, just like before, you need to search for Pixel Pay. When you do that, the website pixels.com will appear. And if you click there, you'll see the system. But before that, you need to log in. Here you need to click on Join. Click on Join to proceed. Click on Download Content. You can sign up with Google, or you can join by entering your name, email, and password. Or you can also sign up here using Facebook. So I clicked on Sign Up with Google. I just clicked on it. That means I clicked on the Gmail account I want to sign up with. Then using this Gmail, you will be signed up on Pixel. Okay, so let's see what happens after signing up. Here, it shows the sign up page because I haven't signed up with my email yet. So after signing up, you will click on Login with Google again. Then the login options will appear. When you click, you'll see that the sign up is done. Okay. So here you go to Europe API at pixels.com/API. When you come here, you'll click on Europe API. Then you'll be able to generate your API key. So I just did that. All right, this is how it works. You have to enter at least 50 characters here. So after clicking, I just generated the key. Here the key has been generated just like that. You will come to our settings, paste it here, and then add another one separated by a comma. In other words, for multiple pixels, you will add them here. The main reason for this is the free pixels that have an API key have a 1 o'clock rate limit. That means you can request 100 or 200 videos per minute when you add multiple ones. Now suppose you add 10 API keys and each can handle 100 requests per minute, then you can download almost 1000 videos per minute. So when you upload a large video here, or if you have uploaded a big video, you can enable parallel downloads here. That means each request, 10 requests will go simultaneously. So in that case, your rate limit per API is a big factor, and when you add multiple APIs, this will be useful because when the rate limit for one API is reached, it will automatically rotate to the next API you have added, separated by commas. So for this reason, you should add multiple, at least 4 or 5 to 10 APIs here. Since you can get them for free, just add them, and then you'll see that your free stock to video module works smoothly. Thank you.